If we don't trust him, Ed, come over here, get a feeling. Huh? Here. No. The muscle part, not the bone part. Here and here. So at the beginning, he pushes a little bit, and he traps me here. The power is in my arm. Mm-hmm. And for most of us, there is nothing you can do because it's real. Okay? You can't change that. But I see now anchor. Do you feel I anchored you?
Yes.
And once I anchor, can you see it's only my finger? There's nothing now. And I lock here. Here and the finger stretch, it's only here. There's nothing here. You feel how strong that is? And you have to empty this into this dot and this dot. You only pull these two dots. And that process is very, very difficult because what's real, you cannot make it not real. But our job is to make it not real. And what's not real has to become real. So it's in the end, this process, it's actually engineeringly speaking, it's a very, very fine-tuning process. When you tune it right, it's totally effortless. So we say that it's so effortless, your mind is doing the work. It's not really the mind overcomes matter. Learn how to use mind to make your body more efficient. When it's so efficient, you don't feel it anymore. It's precision. It has to be really precise. Mm-hmm. Yeah, push me. You have to establish the push, meaning put me on the defense. I see now, it's very difficult for me to come out of here because otherwise I'll fall. So I struggle. The power starts here, goes to my foot. I'm trapped in here. So I have to be able to push you. See, can you see when I do this, push harder? Can you see I cannot reverse it? Because this is too short, this is always caught. I need that when he pushes, can you see it's on this side? See this here? He got me here. On the push, it actually comes here. That reversal is very, very difficult. Higher so that you can see that he immediately gets me trapped in here. And this one has no chance. You don't have to touch here. Be stronger. Whole hand, yeah. And like this, be stronger to help it. So if I do this, ignore, just push more. Can you see? Because he got me here. So when I do this here, immediately, can you see, can't get in. So that's because this contact point goes there. I got trapped in it. But now you push me, you see, oh, it's this way. Watch, it's here. Instead of here, I'm moving this way. It's a total shift. And that shift, the smaller the better. When it's very big, I want to shift. Can you see he tracks me? It won't work. I want to shift. But right, bend, go, go. It's already shifted.